this Weatherbeater by Husky liners, and is designed to fit the Ford Transit 2024. Hopefully it will fit in there, and just add in a little extra protection for the floorboards in there. There it is. That's supposed to fit in there, so we're going to give that a try, and hopefully it'll work. So here's what the Ford Transit 2024 floor mats look like it came with, and I want to, kind of keep them clean in case we decide to sell the Class B down the road. Okay, here we are. Hopefully this will fit in here. Might be a tight fit, but we'll see. Just see what happens. Make sure I get it the right way, of course. There we go. Oh, let's put this end down. I'll get it. Slide it in over the top of the seats. Get it lined up with each side. And then kind of have to tuck it forward. A little bit there. Tuck it up in there. I might have to squeeze it by here. There we go. Alright, I need to pull this forward. Work it down in there. There we go. And then it has these the snaps on the floorboard here that hook in with these little round things right here. So after I put it in there, you can see that there's a little bit of a gap here, or standing up proud from the floorboard. I think I'm going to have to, somewhere in this area here, trim it down around the corners there to get it to lay flat. That's the only way that it's going to work. But for right now, I'm happy with it. It looks much better than the floorboards that were just in here. It'll keep them nice and clean.